there's a face of like, I'm dying in my sleep tonight. Hey peeps, welcome to another video. Today we are celebrating the fact that I have hit 14,000 subscribers. That is amazing and I can't quite believe it, and yeah, thank you very much. I say this all the time, this channel, this thing that I'm trying to do would be nothing without you guys. You guys are what make it, so thank you. And I have watched many YouTubers over the years who say these kind of things thinking, well, that's nice, you know, of course they have to say that. I get it, I totally get it, they genuinely mean it. It's just, yeah, it's insane, absolutely insane. So thank you very much to every single one of you, all 14,000 of you, for hitting that subscribe button and sharing in my waffles, my sew-alongs, my fabric hauls, my hits, my misses, Chiana, who's sat just there. They're only here to see you. So many of you are here to see this little one, and obviously the Fwiff and the QQ as well. So thank you to everybody for subscribing and being part of this little community. It is absolutely amazing and it means the world to me. Not to her so much, she doesn't care, but I do. Thank you. So it's giveaway time, because of course it is. When I was shopping on the Goldhawk Road, the lovely people at Goldbrick Fabrics offered me a £100 gift voucher for one of you guys. Now, I am going to be in London on the 31st of August. We are going to be shopping on the Goldhawk Road and it is going to be awesome. So I am going to be giving away that £100 gift voucher for one of you guys to come shopping with us. There are a few of us going, a few of the peeps, and it's going to be really fun. Now this is going to be open worldwide. If you can't physically get yourself to London for the 31st of August, make sure that you have the ability to either Skype or FaceTime chat with me, and I will virtually take you shopping with me on the day, and then I will send you whatever fabric you pick. Now Goldbrick Fabrics are absolutely amazing. I love the way they have their shop set out. They have all of the fabrics that they have in there. They have it swatched, so you can just look through the swatches. You don't have to root around and try and fight with bolts of fabric. It's all out there, and they cut you little swatches off of the fabrics as well if there's something that you want to take away. They do everything from beautiful cottons right through to the most exquisite and bedecked laces and jeweled fabrics. There is just some amazing stuff in there. So I am going to either take you in person or take you via FaceTime, via my iPhone. We will go shopping together and we will find you something for your £100 gift voucher. So if you live in the UK and you can get yourself down to Goldhawk Road for the 31st of August, that is awesome. Come shopping with me. And as I say, if you are worldwide, all you need to be able to do is get yourself up at whatever time it is in the day to come shopping with us around about midday on the 31st. If the 31st doesn't work for you, we can sort out another day to go shopping on the Goldhawk Road. I don't mind. I'm happy with that. It's not a hardship. So what do you have to do to win this prize? What I would like you to do is put a comment in the comment section down below telling me what your dream fabric would be. Would you like some absolutely gorgeous beaded lace to maybe make a bodice? Buying a metre of especially double bordered laces is a really good way of getting a beautiful fabric that you can cut apart to use the motifs over an entire dress. Or you could just use the metre for a really fancy bodice with a beautiful skirt. You could use it for a really chic little top. Would you like some cotton lawn? Would you like 5 meters of cotton lawn, for example, to make a beautiful large 50s style shirt dress, the 8577, anyone? Would you like some really fancy jersey? Would you like some kind of weird and wacky technical fabrics? They have some amazing fabrics in there that are laser cut and all sorts of things. Tell me what kind of dream fabric you would like to spend £100 on. I mean, I have a dream fabric from Joel & Son that's £7.5 a metre, and it's hand beaded lace. So I won't be getting that anytime soon. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below what type of fabric is your dream fabric and what you think you might make with it. This competition is going to be open till midday Greenwich Mean Time on the 24th of August, so Saturday, a week on Saturday. On that day I will do a random comment picker and we will find out who has won. As I say, the only restrictions for this are your willingness to either come and shop with me in person or talk to me via FaceTime on the phone so that we can go shopping together and find you the fabric of your dreams. So I want to say again, thank you so much to every single one of you for subscribing, for liking the videos, for commenting, for taking part in the events that I do, for coming to the retreats, for going to the sewing classes that I've been running. It's amazing, absolutely amazing, and you guys are enabling me to live out my dream, so thank you so much. So gushy part over. I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.